तो लेट्स स्टार्ट बच्चों। हम करेंगे चेंज अराउंड अस। अपने चारों तरफ क्या क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं। व्हाट ए फन वुड इट बी यू सडनली गेट सम मैजिकल पावर टू चेंज थिंग अराउंड यू। क्या ऐसी कोई मैजिकल पावर होती है जिससे हम अपने चारों तरफ को कुछ चेंजेस कर सके। मैनी चेंजेस आर टॉकिंग प्लेस अराउंड अस ऑन देयर अवन। जैसे कि फील्ड में क्रॉप्स वो अपने आप बढ़ती जाती है, ऐसे ही है फ्लावर ब्लूम and then wither away. Are any changes happening in your body? Yes. Nails grow, your hair grow, you grow taller and your weight increased as you grow. Did you realize earlier that so many changes are taking place around you all time? Can some of the change be grouped together? Can all changes always be reversed? कुछ चेंज होते हैं वो रिवर्स होते हैं, जैसे कि बलून है and take a balloon and blow it. Take care and that it does not burst. That shape and size to balloon have changed. Now let the air escape the balloon. As you take a piece of paper and fold it into a toy aeroplane. You may have lots of fun in flying this plane. Once you are tired of it, unfold the paper again. Then and take some dough and make a ball. Try to roll out a roti. Maybe you are not happy with the shape. You change and bake a ball of dough. यानी कि हमको जो चीज़ पसंद नहीं आई हम उसको अपने शेप में वापस ले आए, तो यानी कि ये रिवर्स हो गया. But was it possible to get the balloon back to its original shape and size? What do you conclude? In each of three activities, it is possible to get back to the material with which we started our activity. If the answer is yes, it means that change occurring in these activity can be reversed. Then take same piece of paper which you draw a aeroplane on it and cut along its outline. Or take same balloon which you use to activity 1, blow it full size and mouth with a string tight. Prick it with the pointed tip of your pencil. Oops, it brushed. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Suppose you ask the same three questions which you answered after an activity. We see that we change which have occurred, not we reverse. यानी कि अब इसमें change reverse नहीं हो सकते. You must have seen a potter working on the wheel. He shaped a lump of clay into a pot. Can the change be reversed? He then baked the pot in an oven. Now cannot change. अब could there be other way to bring a change? We all seen that tools which are used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to wooden handle? The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and become slightly larger in size. Now handle easily fit in the ring. And ring cool down, it contract and fit tightly on the handle. Of such a change is also for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart. As again the metal rim is made slightly small than the wooden wheel. On heating the rim expand and the fit wheel. Cold water is then poured rim which contract and fit tight on the wheel. When we heat water in a pan begin to boil after some time, the pan began to decrease water. The water changed into the vapor. You have observed that water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it cooled. We all have noticed melting of ice. Ice melt when it is heated. What does it change into? Let's observe some more changes. Take a small candle and measure its length with a scale. Fix it in suitable place and light it. Let it burn for some time. Now blow out the candle and measure its length again. Can the change in the length of candle revert? If we are to take some wax in a pan and heat it, can this change be reversed? Repeat activity 7. We can with an in a stick wait till it burns away completely. What are the changes that occur in the insane stick? The stick burn to produce some new material. These are ash and gases, but can sense them due to their present smell. So far, we have discussed the change occurring in a given object or its material. In chapter 4, we dissolved salt in the water. Do you think a change occurred in salt or in water? It is possible to reverse this change. We find that a few ways to bring about a change in a substance could be by heating it, by mixing it with some other substance. We also find that some changes can be reversed while some other cannot be reversed. There means many other way of changing things around us. It is possible that some of them could be reversed, that change around us could be grouped as those that can be reversed or cannot be reversed. In higher classes, you will learn more about the way in which change can be made and way these can be grouped. Okay, thank you.